Hey, this is NolaGospel. What's up? How are you? This gun cannot hurt you. It is broken. It is out of service. The trigger is dead. Does not work. Does not cock. The ejector rod broke off. This button doesn't do anything. Kind of move it, but you still can't operate the trigger, engage the trigger. Close the cylinder, but you can't. Does not work in double action or single action. So it cannot hurt you. Don't worry about it, YouTube. Everybody is safe. And I have no ammo in this room. And my wife is upstairs. I'm down here by myself. The cats were upstairs too, so everything is okay. So yeah, this was one of my first purchases. I think either the second or third firearm I bought. I did buy a shotgun right out the bat, and this is back during the first Obama administration. My boss at the time, the guy that owned the nightclub I worked for, got me into shooting, and he took me out with his HK-40, and then he lent it to me over the weekend. He probably should have done that. I didn't know how to shoot at all. And then he took me to buy my first gun, and he said, yeah, you got to take a class. So I took my first CCW class. This was during the first Obama administration, pretty early on, like around 2008. Maybe I didn't take the class till around 2009. I really can't remember, but the cop who taught the class used this gun. It was functioning at the time, but he didn't have any ammo in it. He used it as a prop. I think they're supposed to use those blue guns, those fake blue guns, but he used this for demonstration purposes in a class. And then he said, does anybody want to buy this? And I jumped up and said, yeah, I'll buy it. He took me out in the parking lot, and I just gave him cash, and that was that. So I used to take this to the range a lot. I got some footage of my wife shooting this. But yeah, I really dug this gun. I really liked it a lot. And yeah, I bought a crap ton of ammo and everything, I had a good old time at the range shooting this 357 Magnum. But yeah, so anyway, so I put this away for a while as I got more into semi-autos, and then I picked it back up, and this ejector rod just snapped right off, man. Snapped off. And I go, what the going? I can't get the trigger to work. So I took it to a gunsmith, and he said, it's not really worth fixing that. Just buy another revolver if you want to. So that's what I did. Ended up buying another Smith & Wesson revolver. So let's take a look at that. Okay, we're back. So yes, I still wanted to keep shooting 357 Magnum, so I bought another revolver. This one I bought brand new. This is the Smith & Wesson model 686-6 7-shot 357 Magnum revolver. And once again, this weapon is safe and clear. Nothing in the cylinder. There is no ammo in this room. The wife and the cats are upstairs. I am the only one in this room right now. Okay, so check it out. I did replace the front sight with this fiber optic front sight here, so I could see it a little bit better. But this is a little bit taller. The sight's a little bit taller than the original sights. I don't know if it throws the sight picture off with his rear sight. This is adjustable up and down and left to right. But I do notice I tend to shoot high and right with this revolver. High and right, and I'm right-handed. Seems I should be shooting low and left, if anything. So I was fooling around with the range with different sight pictures, and I was adjusting this up and down between shots, left to right. And I was just, let's just see how I do with the range footage. All right, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.